Lusker Mitsubishi are very happy to present this 18-plate Hyundai i10. Perfect for the new driver. Great little city car. The Hyundai i10 comes with your 14-inch alloy wheels. As standard, this model comes with a full cloth interior. Vehicle also comes with your hands-free Bluetooth, as well as your cruise control and speed limiter, avoiding those speed cameras. You still have a great boot capacity even on the Hyundai i10 for all your shopping needs. The i10 also comes with your ISOFIX fittings, making sure that you can fit your car seats in a safe manner. The Hyundai i10 also comes with your air conditioning and a 5-speed manual gearbox, as well as your DAB radio. If you'd like to arrange a viewing and an appointment and a test drive in the 18-plate Hyundai i10, give us a call on 0113 277 6099.